trying to tell you, I ain't no dummy. You gonna see watch later on. Y'all gonna see.
24 hours, nigga, 7 days a week. Me, I don't get tired, I let you other niggas sleep. Turn up for that chicken, yeah. Hustle like I'm starving, going hard, I gotta eat. I get it out the
baby! Yeah! I got plenty cars, money wise, ghetto star, hood bras, felony charge. Money wise, ghetto star, hood bras, felony charge. I'm gonna keep it hood. You can take me out the hood. You can take me out the hood. You can take me out the hood. I'm gonna keep it hood.
I could get used to that.
The freaks come out at night.
I'm showing out, they say I should be ashamed. I don't do it for the clout, bitch, I do it for the game. You can walk in any trap, and I bet they know my name. Frank Matthews of the South, put me in the Hall of Fame.
I'm no fucking king! Woo!
Told you I'd make you a banger, baby.
Fine.
Look, today's already getting better. Someone sent me a gift. Let's see what it is. We sure came in. That's about my life right now. Just walk in here like that?
Scary. What are you doing?
I'm heartbroken.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You gotta go racing. There's a mess in here, huh?
I'm sad.
What the fuck you doing in here?
I don't know.
Why are you hotboxing it?
I'm sad.
What are you doing?
I love you, buddy.
You ready to go racing?
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. So nice.
I need a hand. You're gonna have to help me lift this trailer.
Lift the trailer?
Yeah, it's not heavy.
I'm a film guy.
You're getting your hands dirty today, pal.
Oh, no.
Broke people's shit.
It's now 7:02.
I know, we're gonna be out of here probably by 9. If we leave 9 o'clock, it takes 12.5 hours to get there. We'll be there at 9 a.m.
Oh. Nice
Right?
night.
That's good math. Taking a trip.
It's me in America right there.
Alabama.
Alibaba. Taping things already.
Rain.
Rain?
Yeah. That's gonna hold it.
Yeah. Where are we going?
We're going to Kentucky.
For what?
Do street stuff.
Street stuff with my friends?
Yeah, just legal street stuff. Though.
Legal street stuff.
Doesn't hit like illegal does.
No. No arrest, no probation though.
Yep.
Good boys, good toys.
Yes, sir.
What did you get me?
A sweet treat.
Oh. See Destry? Key to a man's heart.
Oh!
That's a good song.
Yeah, for a fucking Pandora beat, huh?
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying to chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low.
Select 2 lanes to take exit 1A on the left toward Cumberland.
Yeah, like 9 or something.
And then we gotta be the track at what?
6.
No, we gotta
4.
be the 4's chip draw. So we really gotta be there like 2. You need a power adder to get through this. Good morning.
Morning.
Did you check your straps?
Yeah. Breakfast of champions right here.
I'm a gangster. I'm getting us there. All for the cause.
Yes, sir.
What's our arrival time? I can't see. 9:11. That's not a good time. Arrival time at the hotel. I think it's 9 a.m. And this is how. Yup. Yup. Good job, David.
Ever drought, ever grain of rice? You don't stand there. Don't see when it comes by. Oh, they're getting wild. That thing sound like wild thornberries. Divorce. Whatever that means.
Stop videoing me. Tomorrow's another day.
Yes,
Or
sir.
Sunday.
Ron Jeremy's been a long
day.
Can't say that. I'm trying to be
I
nice.
can say whatever I want.
This is
This
true.
is my party.
Yeah, this is our party, not yours.
And when you would follow my way, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday! 12/19.
Take another hit for this morning. You got your editing studio down there.
Street race round 2.
Yep. Oh.
Stop. Hand
Hold
off
on.
my expensive lens.
I'm not on the lens.
Here you are.
Clay County.
Clay County. Battle in the Streets.
Battle in the fucking streets.
Part 2.
Part 2, day 2. But I have you drive there, so I can take a nap.
Oh, you want to take a nap now?
Yeah, it's only fair. I'm the driver. You're just a fucking photographer.
Get the fuck out of here. All you do is sit in the car for 5 seconds.
I can't give you content.
Give
It's
me
my
content.
birthday.
I know it's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I think first pair. You're going to let go of the trans brake at, was it 728? I'm going to say 1147.
11:47.
What are you saying?
I'll say 10:45.
10:45? What do you say, Pooey?
1 a.m.
1 a.m.? I think
1 a.m. might be
he
closest.
might be right.
You're in blow your diff.
Car, you dumb fuck.
I gapped his ass. Down in the dumps on my fucking birthday because the fucking rain sucks. I just want to fucking race. You running back? Let's run it back.
No, you're retarded. Someone's gonna come over the little hill with the fucking golf cart, you're gonna fucking kill him.
Love lost, such a cost. Give me things that don't get lost. Like a coin that won't get tossed, rolling home to you. Oh man, take a look at my life, I'm a lot like you. I need someone to love me the whole day through.
What's your prediction for tonight, Bubba?
If both these cars make it past first round, which hopefully we will, and we got that little bit of data, however you people say it,
Data.
I think we're gonna be rolling. Because
Data.
this is our type of shit.
Yeah.
We like the crappier the better. That's how it rolls. Got my buddy over here from Walmart, hooked me up with a nice side-by-side.
I know, what a nice guy. Thank you,
These
sir.
Kentucky people are so nice. If we were in New York, you ask for a lighter for a cigarette, they tell you, whoop.
Yep. I feel like we're a bowler in this thing.
Right?
I can't afford nothing like
Show
this.
up with 2 open trailers, both trucks that ain't ours.
I couldn't even freaking afford an electric scooter. like a
mud digger.
You mud digger.
You know how hard it is to drive this thing and not fucking punch it?
Oh,
It makes like
it does.
200 some horsepower.
Does it? Well, you got glasses on at night.
Yo.
What happened?
Check this shit out.
What? What am I looking at?
Motherfucker shitting in the woods.
Watch,
Dude.
look.
Dude, what the fuck?
That's Dave's birthday.
It's my birthday. I do what I want. Tomorrow morning, boys. Ladies and gentlemen.
We've rotted for how long?
3 days.
3 days. And then we gotta drive 14 hours home.
We'll be home Monday morning, just in time for work.
Your ass.
Rise and shine, it's race time!
Battle in the Streets, Clay County, Part 3.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Yeah.
How many passes have you made?
Zip.
Ain't gotta wait to make them movies, I be loaded. While you out here drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same, in a foreign, but it's stolen.
Oh, we're cold and this thing's fucking like an eco tank.
I got that bag on me, feel like I'm transported. Thought I would've reposted. I ain't posted mixtape cause I'm a shorty.
What up? You think you're gonna make a fucking 490 hit right off the trailer?
Probably 390.
390s? Like
Look at that
186?
pussy ass boops ramp.
What are you doing?
He doesn't know where his drag is, so I moved mine so he doesn't connect to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You don't want to get faster times?
He's got better chassis. I can't compete with
Oh,
that fucking. I got better motor though.
Yeah.
Mine says Holly, his says Timu.
That's you damn bastard. Guy comes up to tip me and gives me $300. Look at these fake things. Get out of here. Downforce.
No, I wouldn't even keep his hand.
Come on!
I wouldn't even keep his hand broken to my door.
You can make it to the front. Yo, your friends told me to film you because you're getting yelled at by your girl right now.
He lives in a trailer park called Dixie. Not the one up there. It's Dixie. Not Sunnyville. Down south, they're all Dixie. They're all Dixie Trailer Park, Dixie Plaza.
skin than Bruce Jenner.
One bite.
Virgil Klotz. Anybody seen Virgil?
Oh my God! You don't get no better than that. I don't get no better than that. I don't even care. That don't get no better. So we got. Or is that it?
Yeah, baby! Let's fucking go!
The freaks come out at night. Tails.
Tails number 12.
There we go, baby.
Good job, New York. Good job.
I told you I'd make you a banger, man.
I wanna see us ride. I guess because only God knows why.